my channel, and I'm Nora Crystal. And today, Stella and Leon, three of us will going to be talking about the new update from today. Hi, Stella.
Hi.
Yeah. Hi, Leon.
Hi, Nora.
Yeah. Okay, so three of us are love blue. We have to wear blue. Change to blue. 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 Blue.
Wait.
Okay. Oh. You look so cute. Oh my God, Stella. Yeah. It look good.
This one. Wait, let me change my hair.
Yeah.
Let's move this.
Oh no, you're not boy.
Hey, that's really fun. Wait, hey, that's not good.
Yeah. Why you say she look good, can't you?
That's looking fine. Wait, that's looking good. That's looking good.
Okay.
This one is better.
Okay, let's get going to see what happened to Adopt Me. Let's go, guys. Leon, what are you doing? Come on.
Here, I'm at the last. I'm the third one, so I have to go last. Okay.
Why you're so lady?
I'm not that slow.
Oh my God, guys, look to the Adopt Me. It's not fall anymore.
I don't want to skate.
You guys can ride it right to my pumpkin, right?
I know.
Leon, come on.
Okay, Peach.
You're too cringe. Come on, Leon. Come on.
Go without me.
Okay, bye, Leon.
Bye.
Okay, Stella, let's see what happened to Adopt Me. Oh, yeah. Okay, so our Adopt Me's changed a lot. The trees changed to the white. And look at that one. It's a blue castle. It's called Ice Castle, maybe? Wow, but it's so new. Leon, where are you? Wait, Stella? Stella? I feel, oh my God, why only me?
Where are you all? I thought I see the tower.
Okay, Leon. No, I think we can't arrive. Just come to my muscle car. Sit. Hop in the Rari. We get going right now. Oh, guys, and I forgot to tell you that. Look at this. Come on, come here. Come to the water here and jump it. See? Yeah, we can stay. If you wanna go to rock back, just going to doing like this. Yeah, cute. Where's Leon? What? Okay, let's get going. Hop in the Rari. We get going right now.
I don't see you.
Bye bye. We go without you. Ouch. It's a big eyes.
There's a lot of eyes.
Yeah. I think we can crush. Look at that. You see this?
Okay, I'm gonna try to go in.
No, you can't. If you get in, something bad happens. This froze free. Oh yeah. Oh gosh. Where are you? This froze fury is the one that who protect. Don't let anyone to get to the gate. He the one protect the gate. You can. You know that we get last time, but this time we can. If we have to go in, we have to have a stroller and fly right pad to get in there. But it's so hard. Yeah. Wait. Let me hatch my fossil egg first. It's hungry.
Okay, I'm gonna ride my bunny.
No, you can't. If you go again, it's still safe. Oh my God, I got the ultra rare, the nurturers. You are right. Okay, so let's talking a little bit that I think a few more days, Christmas, I mean, they going to let us to get in the gate. This now maybe they're not already to get in the gate. So if you guys want to see something inside here, make sure to go to the last video. Yeah, see this? Yeah, look, it's a present. It's so big than us. And also a ball. Leon, you talk something else? Oh my god, guys, can we get going to up? Can we go up?
I must fly up.
You can go up by the grab ball or the regular.
Bye.
Let's go!
Bye.
Woo! Yeah. And guys, I hope the pets are not robot. You can get in there. Come on, come up here. We see a lot of more up here. See? Oh my god. They're so good at building at this. Wow, Dummy Creator is the best in the game of Dummy. Right?
Look at me. I wish this door would be open.
No, it can. It can.
Wait, I'm stuck. Oh, I'm stuck. I thought I was stuck.
Anyways, what do you guys think the pet will going to become to adopt me?
Because to protect your heart, girl, you need to work hard for your pet.
Yeah. Guys, you know that what pet will going to become to adopt me? Huh?
I don't know.
I think the pet that coming to adopt me is this guy. It's called Frost Fury. Yeah. When you get in there, he not let us. Yeah, the snow owl, the white owl, yeah. It looks so adorable, and actually, I seen in the TikTok like have a candy, like the candy bunny. I don't know, but it still looks so cute and also. Yeah, they actually put a snow oil in the news in Adopt Me. And actually this looks so sick, guys. It looks like the ice castle of Frozen for Elsa. Yes, let it go, let it go. No, Leon, you sing like, you sing, no.
Get it. Yay! That's funny, get it.
So Stella, what do you think of this castle, also Leon? I think the castle is so amazing. Look how blue it is, and you guys, and yeah. Also, when Christmas, we're going to be giving other gifts. What?
Should we play hide and seek around outside the castle?
Ooh, maybe in the next video. But this video, we just going to tell everyone that this.
I want to hatch some eggs.
Oh, sure. I have some egg too, but I have only 8 fossil eggs. Let me give you guys 1 egg and 1 egg.
I want to hatch an egg.
Yeah.
Okay,
I can give you guys 1 egg. Yeah.
I already have all of the egg. I already have a fossil egg.
Oh, then no you. Okay, Stella, I give you a fossil egg.
I'm too poor to buy it.
No, you rich too. Don't say you poor. Everyone is rich inside.
I already have egg. A shower time. Shower.
No.
We need to go to shower.
No, we have to hatch an egg. The egg. The egg. Oh my god. Yeah, the good pet. Oh, I hope this Frost Fury is not robot. I hope it's from Candy something.
Leave me down on my way stuff.
Yeah,
But why is starting? What
I don't know where is Leon get going, but anyways, we can get going. Neon oil? Neon dog. It's a adorable neon dog.
It was in a baby carrot.
Oh.
Carrot.
My phone is like, where are you, Stella? You get lost.
Where are you guys? You guys are so mean just to leave me there.
Because you the one who doesn't want to ride this car. This car is called a muscle car. Wait. Someone just crashed the car. Guys, only the piano. You can take your egg to the piano. Come here. Piano. Come up. Wait, you have 1,000 millimeter egg. This is
the piano.
here. You just go past out the piano.
I thought it was the shower. Oh, come on.
You did just put my egg first.
Where's my egg? Oh, that's my phone. Mommy, in the shower.
Oh, the shower is down here. Here. The gingerbread
Come
house.
on, I am right.
Okay, guys. Yeah. Okay, guys. So our egg is going to be hatching soon. Yeah. My egg is. Yeah. Ooh, my egg is drink and study. No, my egg. Oh, anyways, it's okay. My egg is not. It's not hungry.
Okay, I'm gonna hatch this. Wait, your egg didn't
Me
hatch
too.
yet?
Leon, where are you? We are going to be hatching egg.
Hatch yet?
Wow. She egg hatch a terracotta
Oh my
top.
gosh, my egg already hatched. Where do you go?
I don't. Oh my god. Oh my god. Please stop. Please. Oh my god, you win again? You get a silver tooth. Actually, me and Leon. Yeah.
How many
Okay guys, so the winner is Stella. So we have to give the pet that we hatched to her because she win the game. Oh. Goodbye, terracotta toffee. Okay, there you are. Yeah. Okay, what do you guys think our video today? Guys, come here. We have to stay after 3 girls. Come here, Leon. Oh, she can crack. These Daniel's camera egg. Okay, what do you guys want to people? Guys, think our video today. If you guys enjoy, make sure to click the subscribe button. Yeah. We have to end the video. Yeah, bye guys. Make sure to subscribe and like. Bye. Wait. What is our 3 of us? I hope we should name Crystal Skull. Oh. Maybe? Is it good? Yeah. Give us a Crystal Skull. Yeah, bye.